Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, let's learn how to make curve frame. I have made this tutorial before, but there is a purpose to making this tutorial. Create a new document, which will be 1000 pixels width, and 1200 pixels height. The resolution will be 72 pixels/inch. Color mode will be RGB, and background color will be white. And, after that, this document will be created. Then I'm taking a frame piece. By dragging and dropping, like this, the frame piece is placed. Bring a guide to the center of the frame piece, and then press enter. This is because I want this frame piece in half. And, after selecting the half frame piece, pressing Ctrl+J will create a layer of this half frame piece. And, now I have to do this half frame piece curved. For this, I check the Show Transform controls. And, if I click anywhere, that is, if I click on the center dot, check in Photoshop that no options are visible before clicking. But, as soon as I click on the frame piece, these options will appear above. This icon is for switch between free transform and warp modes. Click on this icon. So, here all the options will be displayed in the drop-down menu of warp. You can give it the shape of an arc, or can give a arc lower shape. Similarly, all these options are available in this menu, as it is Rise option. But I am choosing flag option. The default value in the bend is 50%, half of which will be 25. And half of 25 is 12.5%. So I am giving 12.5% bend to it and then entered. Now uncheck the Show Transform controls. So, this frame piece will be bent something like this. I zoom in and show you up. And, in the bottom layer we have the straight frame piece. I am adjusting the bend piece in the corner. And, the smart guides are telling me that my frame pieces are in the exact position. Overbending of the frame piece will result floral damages, which will obviously look more inappropriate. By pressing Alt, I will create a duplicate layer and place it next to the piece on the right. And, the bend piece will stay in place. After selecting these three layers, press Ctrl+E and merge them. Now, I want the center point of my document. I'll check the Show Transform controls with the document layer selected. This will give you the center point. Now, I have to bring a horizontal guide and a vertical guide to the center. For this frame piece, I have to create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J. I will flip this piece after I bring it down. For this, go to Edit, Transform, Rotate 90° clockwise. But the upper piece bend is inward, while the bend of the other piece is on the outside. So, I have to flip the frame piece one more time. Go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. Now both pieces are in the right direction. These smart guides which are visible in pink color. This indicates that the frame piece is in position. That is, both pieces are in exact position. Now, I will select the vertical frame piece layer. And to create the corner I need the polygonal lasso tool. Sometimes, I have trouble saying polygonal. Now, I will start the selection from the very inside. And I will go to the outer corner. And in this way I will select it. Now, here simply I have to press delete. And after delete I have to invert that selection. For this I would press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. And now I have to select the layer with the horizontal frame piece. Because the extra piece is looking outwards in the corners. Here, I will take eraser tool. And this extra piece I will delete from here. Then, deselect the selection by pressing Ctrl plus D. And merge these two frame piece layers by pressing Ctrl plus E. This frame appears to be quite large for the document. We will shorten this piece here. I'll transform it by pressing Ctrl plus T. And, according to the document, I am shortening this frame piece. And this frame size is suiting here. In terms of guides, my document is divided into 4 parts. Which is 1, 2, 3, and 4 parts. Now, I will take the rectangular marquee tool. And I will select a part here. It will stick like a magnet to the selection guides. I will invert this selection by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus I. And then I have to delete it. After deleting, I will deselect the selection by pressing Ctrl plus D. I don't need these guides anymore. So, put those guides back in place. Now, I'm going to create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. And the duplicate piece I will move to the right. And the pink smart guides will keep telling me the position of the frame piece. And as per the smart guides, I will move the frame piece into the exact position. I have to flip this frame piece horizontally. For this go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. Now, connect the frame piece with other frames piece, with the help of arrow key. So, that there is no gap in between. Now, after selecting these 2 layers, press Ctrl plus E and merge them. And, make a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl plus J again. Very easy and quick to make this frame. Bring the frame piece down, into the bottom. Then go to Edit, Transform, Flip Vertical. Zooming in, I will see that there is no gap. And, if there is a gap, then with the help of the arrow keys, I will connect the 2 pieces. After selecting these 2 layers, I will merge them by pressing Ctrl plus E. So, in that way it has become my curved frame. Now, in this created frame if I have to curve it more. So, we can do that very easily. Currently I am disabling this white layer. And I'll get the frame trimmed. For this go to Image, Trim, and check Transparent Pixels. In Trim anyway, all boxes must be checked. That is, top, bottom, left, right, all these boxes should be checked. After that click on OK. This will avoid extra pixels outside the frame. And the frame will fit within the trimmed document. And now you can see that there is no floral disturbance of the bend pieces. Within this frame you can design a poem or put a picture. Now, if I fill this white background with another color, If I press Alt plus backspace, it will be filled with that color. But, this color is also visible to me outside the frame, while it should be transparent. I'll select the frame layer, and pick the magic wand tool. If I click inside the frame, the entire selection will be done from inside. But, not holding the selection like this will leave a white line. For that, I have to expand this selection. Go to Select, Modify, Expand. And I'll just expand it 1 pixel. Now, I will select the background layer. I'll invert the selection by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus I. After that, I will delete so it will be deleted from outside background. And, deselect by pressing Ctrl plus D. Now, if you consider what we were afraid of before, that a whiteness will come here. But, there is no such white line, because we expanded the selection. And, now you can put any picture here as you wish. Or, you can design a poem if you want. Or, you can write poetry by merging the image to the right or left. But, our topic was how to make a curved frame. And, you see we made a curved frame from a simple frame piece. I hope this video is helpful for you. And, if you like this video then, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.